Eggs are an important food ingredient. They are used in preparing a variety of dishes. They can also be a delicious dish on their own. One of the most common forms in which eggs are eaten is boiling them. What is known as boiled eggs are delicious, healthy and easy to prepare, in addition to the benefits of boiled eggs that you will get. In this video, watch how eating 2 boiled eggs a day will bring you many health benefits for your body. Before you continue watching this video, we invite you to subscribe to the channel so we can go on a healthy and enjoyable journey together. Eggs are an integrated food whose importance is reflected in the diversity of their ingredients. One boiled egg contains a variety of vitamins, such as vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and vitamin B2. Eggs also contain various minerals, such as calcium, zinc, selenium, in addition to omega-3. As for calories, one egg contains 71.5 calories, 6 grams of protein, and 5 grams of healthy fat. All of these vitamins and minerals will pass into your body when you regularly eat 2 eggs a day. However, you should not overeat eggs, so your diet, which includes eggs, should contain only 2 eggs. Continuing to eat 2 eggs a day also improves your brain health and enhances brain cognitive functions. Recent studies have found that eating eggs improves brain function well because they contain a large amount of choline, which helps to reduce brain inflammation, especially inflammation related to Alzheimer's disease. Egg yolk is also a rich source of omega-3 amino acids, which are beneficial to the body and brain. Eggs are also very useful for pregnant women and the fetus. It is very important that pregnant women eat boiled eggs daily. Boiled eggs maintain the health of the fetus. Because boiled eggs contain a high percentage of calcium, which is very necessary to maintain the health and strength of bones, joints, nails and hair in pregnant women. It is also very rich in protein, which is the basis for the growth of all body cells in the fetus, ensuring healthy and integrated internal and external growth, without the formation of congenital malformations. Regular eating of 2 eggs a day also prevents anemia. Anemia is a decrease in red blood cells or hemoglobin in the body. If you have too few red blood cells or hemoglobin, the cells of the body do not get enough oxygen and food. Therefore, eggs are famous for being rich in vitamin B12, which is an essential nutrient that promotes the growth of red blood cells, thus fighting anemia. In addition, eating boiled eggs helps to strengthen bones. This is because eggs contain a high percentage of calcium, which plays an essential role in the density of bone tissue and strengthens its cohesion. Therefore, it treats the problem of osteoporosis and weakness, leading to a reduction in the rate of fracture or reducing the severity of bone trauma. Therefore, eating boiled eggs strongly helps to build and form bone internally. Hard-boiled eggs promote skin health. This is because boiled eggs contain a high percentage of antioxidants. These substances help to fight free bodies in the body, thus helping to maintain skin health and get healthy skin, and fresh and healthy skin. Hard-boiled eggs also contribute to muscle building. Boiled eggs are a good source of protein. It is a satiating food with a high nutritional value because of its multiple amino acids, as well as iron, and vitamins that help build the muscles of the body properly. Eggs are also rich in selenium and antioxidants that prevent tissue damage, keeping muscles healthy and strong. Boiled eggs regulate cholesterol. Boiled eggs provide 2 types of good fats known as monounsaturated fats and good saturated fats, so they help reduce bad cholesterol in the body and reduce the risk of heart disease. Boiled eggs improve vision because boiled eggs contain lutein, which is very useful in preventing macular degeneration and reducing the risk of cataracts. Its antioxidant effects also help to strengthen the retina and protect the eyes from free body damage and the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Boiled eggs contribute to weight loss. When eating 2 eggs for breakfast, they help people feel full for long periods and reduce the amount of food they eat during the day, resulting in a significant reduction in body mass and waist circumference. Boiled eggs also contribute to strengthening the body's immunity because they contain selenium. One egg provides the body with about 20% of its recommended need for selenium, which also helps regulate thyroid hormones. According to a medical study, Boiled eggs contribute to reducing levels of anxiety and stress because they contain amino acids that are not produced by the body independently, such as lysine. According to the World Health Organization, an individual can get 22% of their need for this acid by eating one boiled egg. Boiled eggs support liver function. Choline, found in boiled eggs, contributes to maintaining liver health, in addition to helping to activate it to play its role.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to like channel to receive all new news.